Alright, what's good, y'all? This is Ike Entertainment, and today I'm going to be giving you guys my Afro journey update. This is month 4, so I'm going to give you guys a little 360 of how everything's looking. Bruh, legit, I've been on my grind, yo. I've most definitely been on my grind. Do you see this? Legit, it's only been a month. It has only been 1 month. And I'm already at 2 inches. And you guys already know why I got to 2 inches. Pretty much, I've just been sticking to the method that I gave you guys. You know, my moisturizer method. I got my water on me at all times. And that's pretty much what I've been doing. You guys stay consistent with this stuff, man. Also, I've been hitting the gym a lot lately. So, gym, if you guys don't know, that actually relieves a lot of stress. So, I've been like stress-free. Also, for those of you who like to go to the gym, work out, you know, no matter what you're doing, or you guys just like to exercise, I strongly advise you guys start switching over to alkaline water. Alright? Everyone has their opinions. I say, I hate these cars, man. Every time I'm trying to do a vlog. I'd say switch to alkaline water, switch to water like Core, or, I don't know, what's that John called? Essentia. Like, just things like that, or like them Johns that like people don't really know their names, you know, they just happen to be in the store, but they're like 2 liters or whatever, I don't know. Those will give you a lot of energy throughout the day, and those I tend to see a lot better progress with that type of water compared to regular spring water like Poland Springs or Deer Park. Another thing I've been doing, I didn't mention this in my last video for hair moisture because I just didn't really think that I could really make a method on it. I've been using Wild Growth hair oil, specifically the one in the white bottle. I also use the one in the yellow bottle. If you guys want me to make a method for you guys, you know, I can do that. I'll put it on once, maybe on Monday, another time on Friday, alright, or Thursday, depends, because that John is way too thick. That John is way too thick. But to be honest, if I'm going to be real with you guys, I haven't been using it as much as I've been using it as I am. Specifically because, I don't know, I'm too lazy to be using it all the time. And like, they say that thing grows your hair 2 inches in like 1 month. I never saw that. Most I've ever seen for myself grows my hair, you know, like, you know how like you have some spots on your head, you might see some scalp, or like it might be lighter than most areas. The most it'll do for me is it darkens it, you know. It just keeps it dark, like it just grows some hair in there. But it's not like any 2 or 3 inches crazy thing, you know. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll kind of use that like behind the ear, like around that area, because my hair tends to grow slower there. So that pretty much works for me there. But for real, other than that, you know, just sleeping with the bonnet, keeping your hair protected when you go to bed, using a bonnet when you're lying on the sofa, you know, the couch. But really, that's all I've been doing. So that's my 4th month Afro journey update. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what other kind of videos you want me to do on this channel. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Links will be down below in the description. Also, leave my Instagram floating down below somewhere here in the video. Whew, that sun is perfect. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.